Yeah, you know?
Walk out just a little bit now, man.
Go to without smoke.
All the reasoning.
Yeah, no, boss, it's a good look.
Yes, brother.
Ah, you want to talk, love it.
You know me, I say.
Yes, my boy.
You know, say, long kid never there for a while. So, I know I'm supposed to talk to her and tell you, say, I'm going to do the investment, yeah. Remember, so them man, for them lifestyle, them know what griminess is, you know. But they don't really want the new generation to forward and live the lifestyle they saw. That's why I invest in a couple of things, and they want an elder statesman like me to step in and help him run it off. So that's why I'm there, brother. And you say anything we do, we have to think about how we elevate from one place to the next. It's always upward mobility, you know what I mean?
Yo, you're the right man. You don't have to worry about the extortion thing or nothing.
Mad. We are going on the ground.
Mad.
No, I think already in our numbers. You're safe.
We know what type it is, but from a circle, as soon as they're on the ground, I know it's a ranking make the link and you want to make sure I'm safe on the ground, you know what I mean? But at the right look, brother, that's how we deal with it now, you know?
So numbers, I will last take a link vicious.
Vicious. You know, so the other day I circle down a juice bar.
So that alone.
You know my style, when I go down there I have to support the thing, so I buy two of the volcano them from him.
So, that alone.
Brother, how are Vicious tell you, sir?
Tell you.
Yo,
You tell me what go on.
tell about the big party girl involved now.
Yo, we know, say, hey, brother, hold on. Here we go. Hold on, man. Brother, my little sister now come check me at the farm more while. I give her some things, saying me I'm Lana. But the man, the police, them come from me the other day with the chase thing. And take me where Miss Brissett come go some bang and link me star and they tell Omega say forward. But never know say Lana have a reach down there, brother. You see when me look, and Lana that will come in 5 minutes later. And Vicious that run come breathless and say to me, say, yo, Omega come. Omega come in, you come see Lana now. And I say, hey, I want a girl here, there. And I say, baby, calm down now, Ray, brother. I'll be a real up. I saw, I'll be a real up. And Vicious have your whole Omega gonna pull her over here, so me a hold Lana and draw her outside and Lana go on away, brother. Yo, let me tell you something, man. Brother.
What is that?
And the wickedest thing, reach me, brother. Right now, it's almost like I said, Omega, I give me some tough face, she look at me and wait. I'm going to go so bang and go link her around her place and it's like, she not give me no talk. But if you circle Lana still, because you don't know, say, still have to do what you have to do, you know. You know the style.
Still Lana touch none of them strong, yeah. Problem butcher.
Yo, go all
That's cool, man.